Start making a simple circuit using a breadboard. We're going to start with a male to female connector over here, and we're going to put the female side on the GPIO pin over here for 3.3 volts, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the male end over here, and we're going to put this over in row A2 over here. So all the way at the top, but we have actually one row ahead of it over here. So the power is going to be flowing from 3.3 volts over to the breadboard. Next up is we need a resistor over here. This resistor is going to make it so that our light bulb does not pop. So to plug this resistor in the same row, we can see that all of the different lines are horizontal. So everything over here in row number 2 is going to connect. So I'm going to put this resistor over here in this row number 2, and I'm going to put it in the column B over here. So I'm going to put this resistor in, and then just for extra space, I'm going to move it all the way across to the same row. We're in row 2, but I'm putting this over in F over here. So right now what's happening is we have the power from the Raspberry Pi is coming over from the 3.3 volts. It's going over to row number 2, and then because all these are connected horizontally, it's going to travel across the resistor down into over here. This is row where the pin is over here. Then what we need to do is, since power, when it comes to the LED lights, the longer of the two parts is the anode, the positive part. This is positive power. We're going to put the power in the long positive leg. So I'm going to take the long leg and I'm going to place the long leg right next to that resistor where the power is going to be flowing from. I'm going to place the long leg in, and then I'm going to put the short leg in on a different row over here. So I'm going to place it, let's say, 2 rows down. So following the power again, 3 volts of power over here, then it's going into the second row, then into the second row, because these are all connected horizontally, it's flowing through that resistor over here, and it's flowing into this row over here. And then I have the leg of the LED right next to the resistor, and then I have the resistor going down. You can see over here a couple of rows. So this is the negative part. So to complete my circuit, I need another male to female, we have over here, cord. So I'm going to take the male cord over here, and I'm going to put it right next to that negative leg over here. And when I plug that negative side in, I'm then going to take my female side and I'm going to plug it over here into the ground. And as soon as I plug this into the ground, we have action. We have completed a circuit using the breadboard, and we've just followed back how the circuit follows. One last time, this original cord is 3 volts. The 3 volts goes over to the cord over here. Right next to that cord, we have the resistor plugged in the same horizontal row. That over here goes over to the second side. Then we have the positive side, positive power, plugged in over here in the second row. Then I have 2 or 3 rows down, doesn't really matter. I have the negative side, and then I'm plugging the negative side over here back, following it into the ground to make a circuit. And that's how you use the breadboard. You can see that all of the strips on the side connect and all the strips horizontally connect. Hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.